Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're taking a look at a set of repair parts specifically designed for the DJI Phantom 4 Pro and Advanced models. This isn't just a single piece, it's presented as a full set, including the upper and bottom body shells, along with the landing gear. For anyone who's unfortunately experienced a crash or significant wear and tear on their Phantom 4 Pro, these are the kinds of components that often bear the brunt of the impact. The description highlights that these are brand new and high-quality parts. When dealing with drone repairs, especially structural components like the body and landing gear, quality is absolutely crucial. The integrity of the shell protects all the sensitive electronics inside, and the landing gear is essential for safe takeoffs and landings. Using high-quality replacements is key to getting the drone back to its original performance level and ensuring its longevity. One of the points mentioned is the reasonable design, which is said to make installation and removal easy and convenient. While the parts themselves might be designed to fit correctly, it's very important to note the caveat provided. These repairs require professional maintenance experience. Replacing the entire body shell and landing gear on a complex drone like the Phantom 4 Pro involves disassembling a significant portion of the aircraft, disconnecting and reconnecting various wires and components. It's not a task for the faint of heart or someone without prior experience in intricate electronics repair. Attempting this without the necessary skills could easily lead to further damage. This set is positioned as a direct replacement for original damaged parts. The goal is to restore the drone's structural integrity and functionality. By replacing a cracked shell or broken landing gear, the drone is better protected and can operate as intended. This ensures the drone works normally, which is the ultimate aim of any repair. A damaged body can affect flight characteristics, and compromised landing gear can lead to unstable landings or even further damage upon impact with the ground. Having a full set like this is beneficial because often a single incident can cause damage to multiple areas of the body and landing gear. Replacing everything at once ensures that all related structural components are new and sound, providing a comprehensive fix rather than patching up individual pieces. It's a way to give a damaged drone a new lease on life, bringing it back from being grounded to flying condition. So, while the parts themselves are described as easy to replace due to their design, the overall process of installing them into a Phantom 4 Pro requires a skilled hand and professional knowledge. This set is clearly aimed at repair shops or experienced individuals who are comfortable with complex drone disassembly and reassembly. For the right person with the right skills, this full set of body shell and landing gear parts offers a way to effectively repair a damaged DJI Phantom 4 Pro or Advanced, ensuring it can fly safely and reliably again. It's an essential component for keeping these capable drones in the air after an unfortunate incident.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.